in the snow sometimes.
Now that same type of system we're going to be tracking later this week.
Let's get you to the Storm Track Weather Center. You've issued a weather aware day for tomorrow.
Yeah, I have. And what if I were to tell you that every weatherman actually works for the bread and milk industry?
How about that? Yes.
Yeah, that would
We
be.
might believe you.
I still don't understand the whole bread and milk deal, but certainly it's not a situation you need to do that. It is one of those scenarios where we do have a shot at some snow in the area. I'll talk more about that in a moment. First off, let's talk about the weather aware, which is in effect. I have issued that for Thursday at noon until Friday at 10 p.m. And that is for the potential of heavy rain as well as thunderstorms and the possibility of some snow. So keep that in mind. Again, a weather aware is in effect beginning Thursday at noon, and I will have it canceled at about 10 o'clock on Friday. May have to extend it if we have enough snow showers left over. Here's your Storm Track day part forecast. Rain, well, it begins tomorrow, especially late in the morning for our south and west counties, and then by lunch, around 49 chance of rain and a few thunderstorms. Now, granted, it's only 52 degrees. It's not going to feel like you would normally see where we have the tropical air in place and feels like storms. This is going to be a different scenario, especially being in the winter. 38 degrees right now in Coleman, 36 in Gadsden. We've got low 40s from Anniston right through Birmingham into Alabaster, Talladega. The warm spot right now, Tuscaloosa, you're at 46. Hamilton, you're at 40. So the colder air still across the northern tier of counties, and these temperatures just haven't changed much all day. A lot of the rain moved through very quickly, and there have been a few showers left over to the south. And again, it's just really nothing to get excited about, just light rain that tracks towards the east. And here locally, we have had a little bit of drizzle, and it doesn't always show up on the storm track radar very easily. Now watch as we go through the course of the next couple of days. This is during our day on Thursday, a very amplified storm system. That means an area of low pressure at the surface and up in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So that's really going to have a lot of forcing and a lot of push to the atmosphere. And that's why you see all of the showers and thunderstorms through 9 o'clock on Thursday. This swings through and tracks towards the east, and we'll be looking at the backside of this low pressure. Now, while we're dealing with just a little bit of snow here, this is going to be a monster snore system. You can have a snore system. That is one step below a snow system, but obviously the snow will continue right into early on Friday. So let's talk about during our day on Thursday. Here comes the first wave of rain. Then we'll have a few showers and a thunder shower. 7 o'clock, look to the west. Here comes that next band of showers. And again, maybe a few thunderstorms. Some of those to the south and west could be a bit hefty. We'll be tracking it and watching it very carefully. The rain moves towards the east. This is Friday at 3 o'clock. During the day on Friday, we're looking at temperatures into the 40s and 50s, but still rain. Then the transition begins. Now notice the temperatures are actually still above freezing, but with the heavier bands of snow, it's possible that it overcomes the temperatures being just above freezing, and there's some light accumulations. Temperatures continue to drop. This is 6 o'clock. Look around Birmingham. Yeah, this will set things into a panic mode, but obviously we're not going to have a major problem with this at this point. Now we'll have new model data coming in, but right now, once the temperatures get to the freezing mark, then travel will be slippery, especially our northern tier of counties back up into Gadsden as well as Anniston, and this is at 10 o'clock on Friday. A lot of the snow will begin to wrap up. Now with that said, let's talk about the potential for any type of accumulation, and this is through 6 o'clock on Friday. Just a light dusting possible. I mean, we're talking grassy areas, and that'd be about it. And then maybe an inch plus as we get into late Friday night and early Saturday morning. Heavier snow will stay to the north of us, but this all bears watching. We're going to certainly have new models run, and we'll keep you up to date on this fluid forecast, I can assure you. And tomorrow morning, Ashley will have some new data for you as well. After that, we get into the weekend, and then again next week. More rain, as if we haven't had enough this winter so far. Temperatures into the 50s. It should be all rain, and overnight lows above the freezing mark. So guys, we will be keeping you